Hello, hello, guys. So, I did it again. This time I had a mic issue. So, what I was saying was that this Friday, September 6th, is my Crop at Home event. So, if you would like to attend, there's still time to get a ticket for the 3-day event. We'll be working on Strike a Pose, and I got something to show you. I can't help myself, I tell you. These projects truly, truly excite me, guys. They excite me so much. Anyway, we're going to be working on the Strike a Pose project, and it's 3 days of cropping, crafting, you and I via Zoom, and just having a wonderful time. So, September 6th through the 8th. The tickets are half price, right? We're so close to the event, so they're half price, and I've actually had them half price for a while. So I will link you down below. And what I was really saying, Kimberly Jones created Folio's style 3 through 7 for us, and she used some beautiful papers. She also did the box for 2 of the folios. She gave me a cutting guide for those, so I will be uploading that to the project folder for every single one from 1 through 7. So thank you, Kim Jones. So after the event, I will be sharing these with you here via YouTube so you can look at them. She did such a beautiful job. Look at this, guys. She made 2 gorgeous boxes. So here's a sneak peek of what you get to expect, what you should expect in these videos. They are gorgeous. And her work is just impeccable, which I love. It's just so neat and tidy and beautiful. So thank you, Kimberly, for sharing these with us. I have to return these to her. They are spoken for already. So I can't remember if I said this before I changed the camera view or not, but I also have a set coming up, set 8 through 12, because I want you guys to have 12 of these to put into to have a year in review. And I think I'm going to be able to do a storage box for you all with 12 by 12 uh, chipboard where you won't have to go outside of that 12 by 12. I think I may be able to swing a storage box as well. So we shall see, right? We shall see. But I'm definitely going to have set 8 through 12 for you guys. And it's there. I already have the inspiration layouts. I have the paper collections. All of this will be on sale. So although the sale is over, you will be able to get this stuff on sale. And it's going to be fantastic. If you loved these minis, you're going to love the additional 5. And that's it. Then I'm wrapping up the moving parts and we're moving on. So I hope you guys can join me. I'll link you down below to the Crop at Home event. It's a global event. We have our friends from the United States and from our friends internationally joining. The kits are already sold out, but you can definitely get a ticket and pick up the digital collection and just hang out, guys. Listen, the best part about these events is the community aspect of it, getting to meet and see the people that you craft with on a weekly basis when we do our live classes and we socialize with here on social media. So it's just very exciting, my friends. Very, very exciting. And we had our very first one where we made this gorgeous project right here, this one right here, where my other boyfriend is right there. And this time we get to do Strike a Pose. If you haven't seen it, I have a sneak peek of the project in here on YouTube. I just haven't posted the final review yet, but I will be doing that. The project is gorgeous. You're going to love it. I say this over and over and over, but truly, the projects are fantastic and I love them. I love them all. I love them all. So stay tuned for all the wonderful things we have coming up and just all things paper phenomenon, my friends. So thank you all so much for watching and joining me on this fabulous uh, event that we had here with the Moving Parts Minis and to be continued. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Your purchase options will be down below. And thank you. Thank you so much for shopping with us. Bye bye.